So, Viraj and Viraj. Viraj is watching my screen share. Viraj is doing his own business. Alright, let's get back into it, mate. 007 first sight and user license agreement. I don't give up. Okay, mate? I'ma just grit my teeth. Continue. 007 private policy. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about your private policies, mate. Get my boards. Visit the custom menu to the cosmetic bottle and lock. Using your text. Okay, sure, close. Earn the number. Start story. Now this is the intended one. But what should we do, Raj? I'm gonna give this choice to you. Nah, bro, I'm giving you the option between intended and purist. Alright, mate, alright, mate. Oh my god, mate! We going in with the military chopper. My god, mate! I swear to God, this better be peak this better be peak comedian. This better be peak comedy gold, mate. Cause I swear to God, the amount of sanity it's taken to hold this damn British accent is immense, mate. Oh, this man though, failure. Oh, this man though, naughty nut man. How yo? Yeah, mate. We're going into war. Give me my tea. Let me heal up real quick. What the fuck, mate? Mate. Oh my, is this helicopter masterpiece? Did they just let out some fireballs? What's up, mate? Mate, because you've played a game before. Not, you haven't played this game before, but you've played other games before. If there's a helicopter in the starting, it's gonna blow up, mate. Pronounce it. Bro, hold on. Guys, I've had enough of making a British accent. I'm gonna make the Asian accent now. He found to be true like your long lost father. Yo, what's up? Go on inside. Yeah, okay, guys. Falls to the ground. Falls to the ground. Yeah, what's up? Story games? Okay, yeah. He's awake! Yeah, my bad.
I'm about to see if I clear the top.
I'm just trying not to get spotted and shot by these damn Nazis. Nazis, baby?
What exactly?
Against God's double
Not
voice.
quite.
Iceland! So this isn't the Nazis. Got it.
Question.
And you're hypothermic. Get to the campsite in the sun. I need you operational.
Bro, every game with a helicopter, the starting follows the same blueprint. Boom, 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 baby, boom.
What?
Every cold. First the hard, then nothing.
Right.
Yeah. Sweet little fishy flip.
This is equipment, Marcus.
Good. You're close to the camp.
Goodness, damn toes. What if somebody doesn't help?
Your reporter again.
Really getting spotted.
Huh?
This one's hot. MI6 explosives.
Bro,
So the one from the retrieval mission.
Not officially.
It was set up for the fire explosives in that whole area.
It's a post-mission cleanup measure. Thermochemical sterilization.
Okay, bro.
Don't want you to get worried.
Chemical sterilization. What's the plan?
Thermo. It's what I say. What's not how I let it use sit out in the cold.
Yes, I know.
Going into container 18, boys. I repeat, going into
There's a window here I can get through.
container 18. Oh, they got a little bunk bed just for me. Oh, the plot armor. He got the jacket just when he needed it. Oh, yeah. Nice, 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 nice.
Stay still. Yes, we understand. Tuesday, sir. These are just seven.
You speak Serbian.
Montenegrin. Picked up a few phrases while mountain climbing there.
Man of hidden talents. Now, let's figure out who these hostiles are.
Already on it. I found her secret jacket. Berlin Cafe, November 17th. Paid in cash.
Interesting. Keep it coming.
Oh, what the?
Sounds like
Oh, man.
he's been shot.
Assassinate.
Vitals?
Are you still watching my screen or no?
Foster. One of yours?
Senior engineer. Keep going.
He's also copying funny. Alright, bro. Bye.
I found one of their guns.
What kind?
It's a TXK Bion. Serial's gone.
Discontinued. Also, it's biometrically locked.
Brilliant.
Bye, bye. Bye, bitch.
Heading into the camp now.
Don't draw attention to yourself.
Need to blend in here.
Let me speak fast.
What are you doing? Just dead.
Yeah, well, that's rare.
learn more about them.
Light inscription. S. Popovich.
Good. Too common a name. Keep looking.
Com device. Military grade layered encryption.
Hard to come by.
Torn grid up here.
That's just the site's explosives protocol from the MI6 handbook.
Oh,
Rocket launcher. Serial 394 KLB 211.
The launcher is part of a US ship stolen in Algiers 9 years ago.
That was fast.
Keep digging. They're not done.
grab. Grab the damn rocket launcher if you have any motor.
Then he crashed at me, and it started moving. Hey, you! Back this up for me. Both right there. Dancing. Where's your line when you need me?
Wasn't up for it this time. Looks like I been lost on the German job. Wieder, that was the best. Come on, let's check it out.
You've got this, right? Man,
Someone just mentioned a messy charge. Lost.
Hang on. I know exactly who we're up against. A Balkan gang of thieves known as Arrowhead. Notorious for never leaving any witnesses.
point then. They're all going to die anyway.
G9 and B4. Got it. G9 and B4. Got it. Next.
No witnesses.
Some of the others are still alive. The hostiles plan to blow up the place.
You need to get out of the blast room.
We need to save those people.
That is not the call. Stand down. That's an order. Listen carefully. You have less than 1% chance of success. Now stand down.
I'll take those odds.
Yes. This.
Okay, James. 2 containers.
This.
G9.
Is what this
Which one's first?
How much longer?
Don't be lost in trespass. I have to be somewhere else. Okay, no time to hesitate. Those people need my help.
Okay, mate.
We should be able to use that crevasse to avoid being spotted. Container G9. That's where I'll find the captives.
What was it? B4
Let me
G9.
see gear. Just relax.
Just stop it! No! That's not Shit!
Good girl. This should keep them busy.
Monsieur Herr Thomas and Martha, Daddy loves them very much, and we'll see them soon.
Don't let go. Oh my god, squirt a punch?
Looking out now, James. Need to find those captives.
Okay, squirt a punch. That's
Remind me why I'm the one babysitting.
oh yeah. God damn. Okay, so squirt is the punch to death.
There you are. Thank God. Hey, listen. We don't have much time. We need to get out of here. What's the plan?
Can't we just sit tight and wait for the others to deal with the hostiles?
And what you've got?
Just one guy.
It's so screwed. Get a grip, Irv.
What about the others? We can't leave without them.
Others.
In B4, other side of the camp. They split us into groups. They were really, well, I hope they're okay.
Okay. You need to stay put while I free them. Then run east on my signal.
What kind of signal?
You'll know when you see it.
Can't see.
Godspeed.
Godspeed.
Should be able to use that crevasse to avoid being spotted. Just wait.
They should keep more than one guy.
Listen, I already freed your friends. We don't have much time. The hostiles are planning to blow up the camp. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
They can't. That idiot was in charge of the detonator.
Still, these guys mean business. We need to go. Wait for my signal and run east.
What's the signal?
Any ideas?
If you drop all the sentry bombs from your pyramid, it's barely standing in this storm. Snap one of the wires, and I'll bet that'll be enough. Here, the detonator. You better take it.
Oh, cool.
When it goes, you run east.
Towards the sunrise.
some slaps. Really, Ben? Really? Money. Good name.
I didn't get much info about today's meeting. And is that a cook?
Would be odd for a surname, wouldn't it?
I guess so. Master. Monster.
You're very talkative, aren't you?
Yeah. The hell
This
is that?
character is here prosecution somehow.
She and no.
Yeah, of course it's important.
Disciplinary board.
She handles some of that too, yes.
Right.
I do enjoy a quiet office. Perhaps we can limit the small talk. I'm sure Anne will be with you shortly.
Yes. Of course.
Right. Then we'll see.
Take a seat.
Wanna know what Emma reminds me of? Emma reminds me of like Elle from Death Note.
So, Iceland. Air crewman in training, accidentally stumbling upon an MI6 operation at the utmost. Mission wouldn't insist, but then hang up on us. Go against direct orders
One
and
letter
ultimately
code.
blow up the invaluable asset we were there to retrieve.
I wasn't aware I was on Rainbow Six Command. I just chose not to take your advice.
I guess. Headstrong, intelligent, thrill-seeking, self-disciplined. Here. Issues with authority.
No, it was more a case of authority having issues with me. Look, I know where this is going. You can spare me the velvet gloves. I'll tell you one idea.
I would like you to join His Majesty's Secret Service. I want to make you a spy.
Oh hell yes.
You what?
I want you to join my training program.
Hell yes. Yes.
Though I have to warn you, it's unlikely you'll pass the tests. Should you make it, I have to inform you that agents have a very short life expectancy. Social life is near impossible. And if you do get caught, we will deny ever having heard of you. How does that sound?
What does Nan say?
Money's terrible.
Stop.
Now, Moneypenny's waiting for you outside. She'll run through the details.
Look,
Yeah, put him through.
you think I won't pass the
You're
test?
dismissed.
I'm James Bond, damn it. I blew up Iceland by myself. I sure as hell will pass the Sanders.
You now know the next stuff.
No, you don't.
No, I know.
Try it.
Yeah.
expect the list of things you don't